Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on iPhone. So this is really simple. The only thing that you have to do is to open the settings of your iPhone. The only thing that you have to do is to open the settings of your iPhone. And once you're here, you're going to scroll down until you see display and brightness. So now it is really simple. As I told you, the only thing that you have to do is to switch between the themes in appearance. As you can see now I'm using the light theme, but if I press on the other side of the screen, my phone is automatically going to turn into dark mode. So this affects all the apps. I'm going to open YouTube so you can see. So now you can change between the light and dark theme, right? So as I told you, this is going to affect all the apps. And if you want to avoid opening settings and displaying brightness and all of that, one thing that you can do is to open settings again, going to control center. And here you're going to, you're going to have this deactivated, but you are going to add the dark mode control. So now if you scroll down on the right side of the screen, you can switch between light and dark theme with this button. So this is all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.